Welcome back, and today I'm going to show you the perfect summertime beverage, fresh, homemade, sparkling strawberry lemonade. Okay, now to begin, you got to decide how much you want to make, but for us, big family, 6 large lemons squeezed into pitcher. And guys, for this you're going to say equal parts lemon juice, strawberry, seltzer water. Okay, now let's finish getting our strawberries chopped. Wash your strawberries really, really well. Hold them, that means take the stems out. And then chop them. Now you want to taste your strawberries so that you know about how much sweetener you need. And you guys know I don't do white sugar, so we're using agave today. Just a little bit of that agave in there, because these strawberries are nice and ripe and sweet. And of course you can use white sugar if you want to. You just, again, taste your strawberries and see how much you need. You'll probably need about a teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons. And you see how that's bringing the juice out of the strawberries? That's exactly what we want. If we needed to pulverize them down a little bit, you can use your potato masher to give them a little chop, mush like that. I like the way these are looking, so we're not going to need to do that very much today. Now our strawberries are ready, our lemons are squeezed. We're going to have to do this to taste, all right? So we're going to start with 1 giant squeeze of agave. And that's about 1/2 cup. We're going to check that though. So we need to stir that in really, really well. Let me get my big spoon. My fancy spoon. And let's give that a good stir to incorporate the agave all the way through. We need to taste just to see if we've got the sweetness okay. Still a little on the tart side. So let's go with another little bit, about 1/2 again the amount. And the amounts, guys, will be in the description box below. But remember, as I said, fruit, even lemons, that tartness can vary. Sometimes you get some really juicy lemons that just are not as tart. Especially if you can get a hold of mired lemons. Oh my word, those things are amazing. And those are not as tart as some of the other kinds. Okay. Check again. Oh yeah, that's right on. We're ready for our strawberries. Again, we're going to go to about what we've got of lemon juice. We'll stir that in. Ooh, look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Then add our seltzer water. Ooh, fun. Okay, it is all stirred together and we're ready for a taste test. That's front porch sipping right there. Oh my goodness sakes, you guys. The next time you see those little kiosks in the mall or something where they're making that fresh squeezed lemonade, don't you worry, you just pick up the stuff and you go home and you make up your own. Well, you guys enjoy this, and when you do, leave me a comment on that, will ya? All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and when you make this, let me know how it turned out for you, okay? And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.